MLA from Mawsynram constituency Hima M. Shangplyang, while speaking to the media on the 18th of February 2021, said that he was dissatisfied at the way the government has responded to the demands of school teachers as far as the release of salary is concerned. He added that he would again raise this matter on the floor of the House in the forthcoming Assembly session scheduled to be held from the 5th of March 2021.
Namla wan mudur ba hagano ka rukom ka penya ke sarkar ya kini hikai kilawan sedeli gi ngile panpisa ban siu tulop iki SSA teachers sei gata ka pisa kano sien kilale deli gi ngile wan ra pisa chano ta pisa jong kita ki SSA ka bawara mencum stem ro sula susam malu malah hamne tai tangke area rum laban pendap kita na snow shisha minta gini no hikai peki ad hoc teachers ki ad hoc teachers las kular ban ai to fifth pay commission adu mentam dan tangke area room dan AA room dan ndrai hapo floor of the house hapo assembly tekila ai kata assurance te kalau go ba thok ikai ba kalau go ba thok ingiro gumju economic man ba minister uniang nong em ngilang persyang ngidang ken ka pisa tangka ndala yo pisang insiu no ndrai shei kata pisa menakan ni yo snow baong bay kani ka jing shim ka tax na ka petrol ong bangin siu ya kino hikai kadno kita kino hikai kila yo bentan na ka tax jung petrol ba ka diesel sei kita ke jing ken kadno klur hiyo na ka tax ba kadno klur fila plot kita kino hikai ai jing ken compare ni update ka assembly ka assembly in pan jing khenlot kini te ka sarkar ka de ban sei madan ya ka jinglot jing sep she kan no kayo na ka tax ba kan no ka pulut shano ka pulut